And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
And up first this evening, residents of Rose Hall in Sandy Bay, Clarendon were left stunned after the police swarmed the area in pursuit of Giovanni Ellis.
He was the main person of interest in the death of 9-year-old Kelsey Ferrigan and has been on the run since Friday.
Now, during an alleged confrontation with security forces earlier today, he was killed. Our reporter Kirk Wright was on location.
Now, except for birds making sounds all around, Rose Hall here in Sandy Bay is said to be a quiet place, not known for violent acts. Now, this pink house is where Giovanni Ellis was staying. And right across from where he was staying are bushes. Now, maybe that's the reason why he thought, because this is a quiet community and there are bushes across from where he was staying, that this would have been the perfect hideout for him. But not so, because sometime after 11 today, the police came here with a major operation searching for him. We were told that they found him somewhere in the back room of what seemed to be a bungalow. Police said that he had a firearm, he fired at them, they fired back, and he was cut down. He was pronounced dead at hospital. From this vantage point, we're able to see mosquito mesh on the ground. We're not sure if that was done by the police trying to access the premises or Giovanni, upon realizing that the police was on his trail trying to escape. But we spoke to residents here who were visibly upset.
My cancer a big, tough kin. My spirit, my troubled brother. I don't know supposed to do that to a little child, and the government need to pay special attention towards these things. Careful of the people them that have them little children going to other people yard who have these type of, I need to know to describe them that, so them need to pay more attention and the community. Right now this guy him don't come from here, I don't know how him reach here. I don't know how him reach here.
So that's the latest for us here in Rose Hall, Sandy Bay, but as the news unfolds, we'll keep you up to date in subsequent newscasts. Kirk right here in Rose Hall, Sandy Bay for TVJ News.
No.